If you ever want to browse privately for a quick session, then knowing how to use Google Chrome Incognito is a really useful skill. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open incognito mode in Google Chrome in just a few seconds, and I'll also explain what that dark window actually means. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, Start menu, or Applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots icon, which is the main menu for Chrome. Click those three dots to open the menu. A list of options will appear, and from that list, click New Incognito window. As soon as you click it, Chrome will open a new dark window. That dark appearance is your sign that incognito mode is active. In incognito mode, Chrome doesn't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data on that device after you close the window. That can be helpful if you're using a shared computer, shopping for something without saving local history, or signing into a second account temporarily. Just remember, incognito mode does not make you invisible online. Your internet provider, your school or workplace network, and the websites you visit can still see activity. It simply means Chrome won't keep that session in your local browsing history once you're done. If you want to open another incognito window later, just repeat the same steps. Open Chrome, click the three dots, and choose New Incognito window again. When you're finished browsing privately, just close the incognito window like any other browser window. Once it's closed, the session ends and the temporary local data is cleared. So that's how to use Google Chrome Incognito in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more beginner-friendly browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.